All right, Math 2, Unit 6, Worksheet 3, Odds. All right, 1 through 10, find the missing length. All right, so remember, this is a side splitter, so we'll call this X, and I'm just going to go X over 4 equals 15 over 10. So X over 4 equals 15 over 10. We cross multiply, we get 10X equals 60. Divide both sides by 10 and we get X equals 6. All right, moving on to number 3. All right, this is a side splitter again, but we got to be careful. The whole side is 12 and this is 2, so this portion is going to be 10. We'll call it X, so X over 2 equals 15 over 10. We cross multiply, we get 10x equals 30. Divide both sides by 10, we get x equals 3. All right, moving on to number 5. Believe it or not, this is just another side splitter problem. Okay, even though it doesn't come to a triangle, it could come to a triangle if we wanted to match it up. And again, it's just a side splitter. We'll do a lot of these. So I'll call this x. So again, x over 8 equals 28 over 16. Now to make it a little easier for us, we can reduce. Let's see, 4 goes, we'll say x over 8 equals 4 goes into 28 7 times, and 4 goes into 16 4 times. So now when we cross multiply, we get 4x equals 56. Divide both sides by 4, we get x equals 14. All right, number 7. All right, this is an angle bisector. So we'll call this x. So remember, we could go x over 21 equals 30 over 15. I like to go x over 30 equals 21 over 15. Okay, we can reduce x over 30 equals 7 over 5. Cross multiply, x times 5 is 5x. 30 times 7 is 210. Divide both sides by 5, we get x equals 42. Okay, moving on to number 9. All right, number 9. Okay, here we go. All right, this is an angle bisector again. So this part is 7 and the whole thing is x. So this guy's got to be x minus 7. If this is x and this is 7, this part's got to be x minus 7. All right, so again, I'm going to go 28 over 20 equals 7 over x minus 7. All right, I can reduce. 4 goes into here 7 times. 4 goes into here 5 times. So we end up with 7 over 5 equals 7 over x minus 7. When I cross multiply, I end up with 7x. Let's put it over here. 7x minus 49 equals 35. 7 times 5. I'll add 49 to both sides. I end up with 7x equals, what is that, 84? And we divide both sides by 7, and we end up with 12. X equals 12. Okay, number 11. What do we got here? Looks like a back to the side splitter. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so we can go, just so I can reduce, I'm going to go 12 minus x over x plus 3 equals 6 over 4. Okay, same direction. They're both going, if you wanted to look at it this way. 12 minus x over x plus 3 equals 6 over 4. I can reduce a little bit. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 4 twice. So now when we cross multiply, I'm going to go 3 times x plus 3 is 3x plus 9. And 2 times 12 minus x is 24 minus 2x. I'm going to add 2x to both sides, and I get 5x. That goes away. I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides, and I get 15. Divide both sides by 5, and we get x equals 3. All right, and the last one, number 13, another side splitter. So let's go across this way this time. X plus 4 over 8 equals 4x plus 1 over 20. Okay, so when I cross multiply, 8 times 4x is 32x plus 8 equals 20 times x plus 4, which is 20x plus 80. If I subtract 20x from both sides, I end up with 12x plus 8 equals 80. If I subtract 8 from both sides, I end up with 12x equals 82. And divide both sides by 12, I get x equals, let's see, 12 times 6 is 72, so it looks like 6, and we got 10 left over, so it's 5, 6. Okay, all right, let me move that up for you a little bit. Okay, and that is Math 2, Unit 6.3, Odd Problems.